Hi, I don't know about you, I've been hearing about jackfruit every place I look. You can get whole fruits of it in the grocery store. You can buy cans of it. And as a cruiser, this is the exact ticket that I might have been looking for to take over from all that canned corned beef that, yeah, it doesn't quite cut it. Hi, I'm Nica Waters, and welcome to Tasty Thursday. It's the last one we're doing, and it's gonna be a great one. We're talking jackfruit barbecue today. So something you should know is that I have never actually made jackfruit. So this is the unboxing, the opening of the can. You are going to be present just as I'm doing it for the very first time. Couple things to point out. It is young green jackfruit in brine. I guess you can get it in brine or in water. Water's supposed to be better, but this is what I got. So we'll see how it is. I have no idea what it even looks like. Let's see. All right, so it looks funky. The texture is squishy inside. Okay, there we go. And now I'm going to rinse it. I was going to come over, drop it right in here. There's a big, like this is a seed. I'm pretty sure that's a seed. I'm going to take that out. So I have to tell you, I've been kind of poking and tearing at it with two wooden things. And there are a couple parts that are super hard. So I think I'm actually going to take those out so they're not in the mix. Like that isn't shredding particularly well. So I'm going to take it out. A couple of tablespoons of chili powder, half cup barbecue sauce, and that's the shocking red color of that barbecue sauce. Doesn't usually Well, it's not as firm as I like my barbecue to be, but that is probably worth playing with a little bit, because that's pretty good. Yum. Texture be good on a bun, maybe with some cabbage slaw. Be pretty spectacular. Not bad. I'm gonna have to try that again. So there you have it. Jackfruit, the unboxing of it, and what you do with it. I think it's worth playing with. My friends Scott and Sarah said that they use jackfruit for just about everything, and it's indistinguishable in things like mock crab cakes and that sort of thing. So I think it's definitely worth experimenting with. I will have to check on the texture and have to see what I can do in terms of shredding it maybe before I put it in the pot. And I also need to look and do a little more research and figure out the seed thing and take that stuff out of there. But not a bad first experiment, and definitely worth taking cruising, because I think it's going to actually do some really good things for me and my galley. So there you go, jackfruit. Happy Tasty Thursday. If you like what you've seen, press like, tag a friend you think should see it, share it with people who love jackfruit and are about to go sailing and want to try things that might make up for maybe a lack of refrigeration space, and they want to have different meat kind of substitutes. And yeah, you can't subscribe because this was the last one. I hope you've enjoyed it. It's been 6 weeks of weekly Tasty Thursdays. There might be another iteration of this coming up in a little bit, but for now, it's time to take a break. Let's see how this works. I have no idea. Am I supposed to like remove this? I don't know. Guess we'll find out. That's the pile of stuff I just took out. This looks like a seed. Definitely pretty hard. I probably could split it and get in there, but I don't want that in there. So, little tidbit from the internet. Apparently, you do have to clean the jackfruit. You have to like go, I wonder if that was on the can. I didn't take a look. Maybe I should go take a look. But you should pull out the core. Although, I don't know, if you look at the core of it, like that could be all of it. I'm so confused. It's worth trying. And what I did was okay. I bet I can do that though before I cook it for a little less mess.